Okay, so this strategic level case study, the first step that we need to do is we need to go through the KYP. When the pre-scene is issued, we'll give you the KYP as well. SEMA will allow you to, what SEMA will tell you is be familiar with the pre-scene. Be familiar with the pre-scene. So if you want, when you say be familiar with the pre-scene, if you want, you can read the SEMA pre-scene and you can learn about the industry. Or mostly our KYP, KYI, and some of the videos will cover most of the areas that you wanted to cover. Most of the areas that you wanted to cover. Most of the areas that you wanted to cover. Right? Now, at the same time, we need to look at what are the comments by the examiner as well. We need to look at what are the comments by the examiner as well. And how the marking is done by the examiner. All those are critical elements. So let me give you, first of all, let me start with what kind of exam paper that you're going to get. And after that, we will discuss about what are the views of the examiner. Then we will certainly discuss about how the marking is done and all that. On the exam day, it's a 3-hour paper. On the exam day, it's a 3-hour paper. It's a 3-hour paper. On the exam day, it's a 3-hour paper, right? And further, the 3-hour paper is divided into 3 different sections. 3-hour paper is divided into 3 different sections. Each section is for 1 hour. So those are not going to change. Those are fixed, right? So you have 3 different sections available. Section 1, 2, 3. Each section is for 1 hour. Each section might have 2 questions or 3 questions. Sometimes one section might have 2. Some sections might have 3. The exam paper works like a real world. You get an email from your boss. The email that you're going to get from your boss is like the exam paper. And you got to respond to that email. You got to type a reply to that email. The reply that you type to the email is your answer. So that is how the exam paper is going to work. That is how the exam paper is going to work. That is how the exam paper is going to work. As I mentioned to you before, there are 5 core activities available, which I don't want to go into discussion now, but I'm sure you basically understood the concept behind it, right? On the exam day, there will be 3 exam papers set for May 2020. So if you look at May 2021, May 2021, there'll be 3 exam papers set. There'll be 3 exam papers set. Same pre-scene, but 3 exam papers. Exams will be available on 3 days as well. Exams will be available on 3 different dates as well. Exams are available on 3 different dates. Exams are available on 3 different days. And at the same time, there'll be 3 different exam papers available as well. Now, irrespective of the day that you are going to do the exam paper, randomly you will get a variant. There are 3 variants that is available. Randomly you will get a variant. So you are doing the exam, your right hand side there's a student, your left hand side there's a student. The person to your right hand side might get the exam paper number 1. You might get exam paper number 2. You might get exam paper number 2. The next student might get exam paper number 3. That is because That is because 3 different exam papers are available and they will come to you randomly. They will come to you randomly, right? Exam day, there will be 3 different exam papers. Some exam papers will come on the first day. Let's say you are doing the exams on the third day. You have a chance to get exam paper 1, exam paper 2, exam paper 3, either one, right? When you do the exams on the second day, you might get exam paper 1, 2, 3, either one. That is how it works, right? Pass mark is 60%. Pass mark is 60% for an average paper. Pass mark is 60% for an average paper. What do you mean by average paper? SEMA will set 3 exam papers. Listen to me carefully. You might get complicated otherwise. Listen to me carefully. SEMA will set 3 exam papers. Then SEMA will decide which paper is more difficult than the other paper. Sometimes one paper will be slightly more difficult than the other papers. Some papers might be slightly more easier, some papers might be slightly more difficult. The paper that is slightly more difficult, you have a slightly lower pass mark, 58. Papers that are slightly more easier might have a slightly higher pass mark, 62. So pass mark will depend on the exam paper that you are going to get as well. But don't forget, there'll be 3 papers, randomly you will be getting one. Now, you got to know when the exams dates are. You got to know when the exam dates are. It will be important for you to know when the exam dates are. Prescient material will be issued on 9th April. 11th May is the exam entry closing. 26th, 27th, 28th May, 26th, 27th, 28th May, 26th, 27th, 28th May are the exam dates. Results will be published on 15th of July. Results will be published on 15th of July. Results will be published on 15th of July. Right? So exam paper is a practical paper. So what matters is not how well you memorize the theory. What matters is not how well you memorize the theory. What matters is how well you can apply them to a practical situation. What matters is how well you can apply them to a very practical situation. Right? So that is what the main theme on the exam day. That is what the main theme on the exam day. In addition, exam paper SEMA has very, very specifically advised about the marking system. About the marking system. We have a very specific way where the papers will be marked. So I'm not going to give you a detailed lecture on how the papers will be marked. I'm not. However, I just want to take little time to give you a brief about how the papers will be marked, not a detailed review. All the markers have been asked to read the entire answer for a question. Which means what? Marker will not read the first point. Marker will not read the first. Okay, so there are some questions available. Can I answer the questions available? And then I can move on. Let me answer the questions available and then I can move on. So do you mean one can only write one of the 3 papers? There are 3 papers available. You will be given randomly selected paper to answer. It might be the first one, second one, or third one. It is a randomly selected paper to answer. It's a randomly selected paper to answer. Exam dates are 26, 27, 28th of May. Exam day are 26, 27, 28th of May. Right. Please type your questions. Please type. Little trouble. I hope you can see me and hear me now. Can you please see me and hear me now? Can you say yes if you can see me and hear me? Okay. So now, I'm sorry, I had a little trouble. Pass mark is 60% for an average paper. If the paper is slightly more difficult, pass mark comes down. If the paper is slightly more easier, pass mark goes up. So it's a little complicated system, I understand. It's a little complicated system, I understand, but that's how it works. So it is fair for everyone. But when you do the mock papers with us, we take the pass mark as 60 because we give you average one paper for a mock paper, right? So therefore, 60 out of 100, my dear friends. 60 out of 100, my dear friends, right? Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you guys today. Please join our session from tomorrow, next week. We are starting the session next week. If you want to get further details, you can always write to info@nanascar.com. Please do write to info@nanascar.com. They will be able to clarify any doubts you have. Or you can send me a SMS or WhatsApp message as well. You can send me a SMS or WhatsApp message as well. My mobile number is given here on the screen. My mobile number is given here on the screen. You can always send me a WhatsApp message or you can send a message to info@nanascar.com. So, Nanascar is committed to ensure you pass. Join with us. We will do whatever it takes to ensure you pass, and we will certainly provide you the help required individually to ensure you pass, right? So that is our commitment. We, of course, expect you to do a reasonable level of work, maybe about 1 hour to 1.5 hours of work every day. And the day off, 1 day a week, we want you to do a mock paper. We want you to do a mock paper as well. So that day, you might need to allocate 3 hours for a mock paper, maybe another 1.5 hours for other work, about 5 hours. Otherwise, every day, 1 to 1.5 hours of work. That's the commitment and the support that we want from you. Time of the lectures will not be the same as today, but the time of lectures will be advised to you depending on which group you are allocated to. info@nanascar.com will send you the details, or I myself can send you the details as well. Send me a WhatsApp message or send an email to info@nanascar.com. They'll be able to help you. So let's join together at Nanascar to ensure you pass this exam. Pass this. What is the lecture timetable that will be given to you on the very first day? Every week there will be a live lecture. Every week there will be live lectures. The timetable of what we are going to do every day will be given on the very first day when you join the course. But what we are going to do, you know already. Those 5 layers will be done. In the first layer, 10 steps will be done. Right? Can you please repeat how many times we have to commit? At least 1 to 1.5 hours of study every day. And 1 day a week, you got to allocate more time because 1 day a week, you got to do one mock paper, which takes 3 hours. So maybe on that day, you might need to do more work for about 4 to 5 hours on that day, right? Lectures are online entirely. Lectures are online entirely, unless for Sri Lankan students, we have a library and the facility to meet. You can come and study. Everyone else, it will be online. Sri Lankan students, the lectures will be online entirely. Additional facilities available for them. Okay, so can you take 10 minutes, quickly send an email to info@nanascar.com. Confirm that you are willing to register if you are willing to. Confirm that you are willing to register if you are willing to. So they can do the work of giving the access to the forum. The forum access is critical. We'll give you the forum access. It'll take about 3 days for them to give the access. 9th April, it'll be live with the videos on the pre-scene. When the pre-scene is officially issued, which will be 9th April, you will see the videos coming in about this very interesting, very practical industry for the May 2021 exam. So let's work together. Let's work together, and let's work together to ensure we pass these exams. uh, but hope the lectures will be weekends. Yes, lectures will be during the weekends. uh, uh, Weekends. During the week, there'll be videos coming in. You can watch them at any time. We have a very active LMS. We have very active LMS. You can study at any time. If you miss a live lecture, you can watch it later. So, are you conducting session during August? After we complete May session, we'll have a separate session for August. Is there any probability of paying in installments? You need to send an email to info@nanaskar.com. Send an email to info@nanaskar.com. Talk to Vatsala. She will help you with. Talk to Vatsala. She will help you with. Okay. So, shall we say goodbye and see you next week with the lecture where we will discuss the pre-seed. Very interesting industry. We'll start with that industry next week. So, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much for joining. I'm here to ensure you pass the exam. I'm here to ensure you enjoy the course. I'm here to ensure you have a great life, get a good job. So all that are supported with us, please write an email to info@nanaskar.com, so they will tell you the timing, session timetable, when they will give the forum access, all that will be covered. So can you say goodbye? Thank you very much. Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you next week. Please send an email to info. Can I give the email address there as well? info@nanaskar.com. You might send me a WhatsApp message if you want to clarify anything as well. You might send me a WhatsApp message if you want to clarify anything as well. So, goodbye. Thank you very much. Enjoy the life. Be safe. We will meet with you soon. Thank you. Bye. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer, but you can send me a WhatsApp message or you can send an email to info@nanaskar. If there are any questions, I'll answer anyway. Okay. Bye and thanks. You can send me a WhatsApp message even now if you want to clarify anything, and send an email to Nanaska as well. Forum access will be given to you quite soon. I don't think we can give it before 9th because there's nothing much you can do before 9th anyway. We got to wait till the pre-scene to be out, right? Sahani, did you not summarize the first part? Which part I should repeat? I can repeat it if you want. Which part you are not clear? Layer 1 is the teaching layer, which was divided into 10 steps. Did you follow the 10 steps that I explained to you? Did you follow the 10 steps that I explained to you? That is the layer number 1. Are you clear on the 10 steps? Then you are okay, son. Don't worry then. If you are clear on the 10 steps, you will be okay. Are you okay on the 10 steps? May and August, same pre-scene. Yes. May and August, same pre-scene. Yes. Yeah, you can have a recording of today's session as well. All live sessions will be weekend. Yes, all live sessions will be during the weekend. Yes. If you want to clarify anything, you can send me a WhatsApp message. I have given my. If you want to clarify anything, you can send me a WhatsApp message. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye.